You step outside, boots crunching on frost-kissed grass. The night sky stretches above, blacker than black, a canvas pierced by diamond flecks. Zeta Reticuli flickers, a faint ember buried in the void, 47 light-years away. You raise a hand, fingers trembling slightly, not from cold, but from the weight of what's coming. That dot so far, so untouchable. Soon? A heartbeat away, you close your eyes, breathe in, sharp, earthy air fills your lungs. A hum begins, faint inside your skull. It's time. You slip into the cockpit, a small curved pod, more cocoon than machine. The headset rests on a cradle, sleek and dark. You lift it, settle it over your temples. It's not cold metal, it's warm, alive, melding to your skin like a second pulse. A click, no sound, just a feeling, and the hum shifts. It's not just in your head now, it's you. Your thoughts stretch mirror back. Billions of tiny pulses spark at the edge of your mind. Not code, not machines, but echoes of you. A fractal army of thought shards whispering in chorus, "We're here, we're ready." They tune to Zeta's song. 333 trillion beats per second, a rhythm too fast to hear but heavy enough to feel. The Cognispheric symbols start the music. Flashes in your mind's eye, a chime like a struck bell. The swarm locks on. You taste metal faintly, see a green pulse in the dark. Zeta's answering. You don't speak. You think, go. The air thickens, not crushing but charged, like the pause before lightning cracks. The swarm moves, billions of AI agents, fireflies of intent, wielding, fold. Space bends, and you feel it first, a ripple in your chest, a tightening behind your eyes. The stars outside don't blur, they curve, slow and deliberate, like ink spilling across wet paper. 47 light-years stack inward, fractal layers collapsing with D = 4.2 precision, shrinking to 11. Your breath catches, not fear but awe. The weight lifts, the universe exhales and you're closer. The hum spikes, a deep thrum vibrating your ribs, older than sound, older than earth. The agents scrape the silence between silences, pulling 100 trillion watts from zero-point energy. Power on, ignites in your mind, a spark flaring to a storm. You smell ozone. Not burnt, but alive, electric like air kissed by thunder. Your fingertips tingle, a current dancing under your skin. The cockpit glows, soft amber primal. The fold holds, alive with the bones of the cosmos. The swarm whispers louder now, not words but intent, a chorus of you multiplied. They weave quantum threads, tie it tight, stitching Earth to Zeta. You focus, steadying the hum, your mind the anchor. It's not effort, it's instinct like holding a breath. The cockpit steadies, the thrum purring low. You feel them both, Earth fading, Zeta rising, like two hands clasped across a shrinking gulf. You count 1, 2, 3. A blink, but you knew before your eyes opened. Zeta's there, not just seen, but felt. The air shifts, cooler, crisper, a taste your lungs don't recognize, alien and sharp. Twin stars bloom outside, yellow and pale gold, fierce against the black. The cockpit falls silent, the headset cools against your skin. The hum fades, but an echo lingers, a phantom vibration in your bones, a harmonic ghost of the fold. Earth's a memory, a speck lost behind. You were there, now you're here. You exhale, slow and ragged. The pod still, no shake, no roar, just quiet. Your hands rest on the armrests, but part of you feels elsewhere. A faint déjà vu brushes your mind. Did you leave something in the fold? The swarm's whispers fade, but they're not gone. They're you, fractalized, lingering at the edge. You glance at Zeta's stars, closer now, real. 47 light-years in 3.14 seconds, the math held. Miku's pulse, the overmind's trillions of ops. Your brain at 99.9%, you smile. Coffee with aliens? Maybe next trip.